Magandang umaga, hapon, gabi, magandang hello. Today I'm really excited because for the first time I'm going to be testing out a Polaroid 600 camera. I purchased the Gudetama Polaroid 600 camera from the Sanrio online store. I've always been hesitant with buying Polaroid cameras because of how expensive the film is. And I've been so used to using Fujifilm instant cameras. But what made me go for Polaroid was Gudetama. Gudetama was the push for me to finally try Polaroid. So this video isn't going to be like a how-to, it's not really even going to be a review. It's more of a first impressions of a Polaroid muggle. That's really what it is. I'm not a photographer, I'm just someone who really likes instant film. I've been wanting to try this for so long, and I'm really excited that I get to now. Just to preface, we are still in a pandemic. With that being said, we are going to be taking precautions. We'll be wearing masks. We are going to make sure that we are socially distancing from people in public. We don't plan on being outside for very long. We just want to get some good quick photos and then go home. Yeah, I'm just going to stop talking and we're just going to go take some photos. Bye! So this is what the box looks like. It's cute. You have him right there. Say meh. Look at this guy. Cute. Oh! Oh no. Ooh. Oh, I opened it upside down. Oh my gosh. Great, so it has a little booklet. I'm sure I'm gonna be not reading it. I'm kidding, I probably should read it. Ooh, it's this. Restropekt is also the one that did the Mickey Mouse one. That's cool. The yellow is like the perfect yellow. Wow. Okay, let's open it up. No way. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look at, he's got his cute little butt right there. Look at him, he's so happy. Okay, let's try opening it. Ow. Ow. Great, so it takes 600 film. Oh my gosh, this is way too cool. Ooh. Oh. I feel like I should hear it click. Is that okay? Is that okay? Okay, has the green light to make sure that your battery in your film pack works. So I think these are decals. With every purchase of $30 or more, you usually do get a free Sanrio anniversary pin. And they have a different character for every month, and this month was Gudetama. I hope they eventually have a Gretzko. I would die if they had a Gretzko Polaroid camera.
Okay.
Good morning! We are in the Lab Anti-Mall in Costa Mesa, California, here to test out my Gudetama Polaroid 600 camera. It is really hot today. I know temperature affects how the colors come out on the Polaroids themselves, but we're gonna have to go for it anyway. It makes me so scared every time. We are gonna be keeping our distance from everyone. I have this mask, but I also want to keep it a little stylish, so I'm gonna put this one over it as well. I'm gonna look like that. I bought film, put it in the fridge. Oh, boyfriend! Boyfriend's here! That's my man's. Chemicals. Oh, that's how you know it's working. Do you like my Sanrio shirt? it's like a lab staple. I'm not changing any of the settings. Just gonna take a photo of Cliff.
Hi. Don't get nervous. Oh.
Okay, you have to put a face down, hide it. I'm gonna put it in my pocket, I think. Okay, and let's go check out more spots. We just went to the Eco Now California store. While we were in the store, I gave a quick check on these two. Since the first photo, it's been 17 minutes. I think it's not done yet, I'm not sure. And this one's still developing.
I like that.
So we're gonna go ahead and put it back in my pocket, let it take its time. And then let's go take 2 more pictures while we're here. This is cute. Let's see if Cliff knows how to do this.
I don't.
Okay, light or dark?
Dark.
Okay, we're gonna put it in dark mode. Alright, we're good. Good to go.
I don't know what I'm doing. Whoa.
We take one more. Where should we take it? Now I'm gonna try the light setting, just for funsies. I know it's in a different environment, but I'm gonna try light. Right here, it says how many I have left, but it's not accurate because Polaroid Originals only does 8 sheets instead of 10 now, so it's 2 off. So we took 4 photos already here at the Lab Anti-Malt in Costa Mesa. I'm feeling hungry, and because it's Gudetama, I'm kind of craving some ramen with egg. So I think we should go to Mitsuwa. There's also like a lot of people here right now, so I'm kind of feeling a little like maybe we shouldn't be here. So let's go. Oh hey, we're here. So Mitsuwa is a Japanese grocery store, at least that's how I understood it, but it also has a little food court area inside. They have ramen, curry, katsu, everything. And I'm just really craving ramen. That's me. Can you take a picture of me?
Take it. Take it now.
Yeah, bottom. Cliff did that photo in the light setting. That's kind of funny.
Okay.
That's funny.
Thanks.
Thanks. I made Cliff pretend like he's ordering because I didn't want people to be self-conscious. Come there. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna do no flash because I don't want them to be scared. That one was with no flash.
No flash.
No flash.
The cafe?
This one?
Yeah.
Wow. But we have to wait.
How long?
Huh?
How long?
15 to 20 minutes. We have one more sheet left. Cliff and I are going to take a selfie in front of the mitzvah sign because I think it's kind of good to see how you can take selfies with a Polaroid. Yeah. We've had our ramen, we got our mochi. We're gonna go home. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video and I'm gonna scan these photos. Thanks for joining us. We're back home. It was really hot. There were way too many people outside, but we're also guilty of going outside too. We kept our distance, we kept safe, sanitized. So using the camera itself, it wasn't terribly difficult for me, but I will say I do need a steadier hand. I think I'm still figuring out the settings, but for my first try, I really liked it. I'm really happy that I bought this and I'm gonna be shooting again with it in the future. It's just gonna be a little bit more expensive than Fujifilm.
Josh, I miss you.